Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get My Eyes only on Snapchat. So basically what My Eyes means, like, you can save a video in Snapchat and put password on it and you can only watch it if the password is correct. So it's basically like making your video private, but if somebody, accesses your account, they need to type another password to see those videos. So that's basically what My Eyes only means. So to get that, be sure to update your Snapchat to the latest version, because if your Snapchat is really outdated, then you guys do not have this feature, because this is on Snapchat's latest update. So make sure your Snapchat is up to date. Once your Snapchat is up to date, just open Snapchat, click on this button over here, and it's going to take you to your memories. Once you're in your memories, scroll right until you see My Eyes Only over here. Once you come on My Eyes Only, what you want to do is click on Setup. Now over here, you need to set up a pin, or you can also use word password by clicking on it. If I click on it over here and click on use face phrase, I can type a password with words like a name or anything. But if I want number, I can go over here. So you can set up a password for your My Eyes Only. So let me set a password for My Eyes. Okay, now remember your password. Okay, do not forget your password, just keep that in mind. And after you set your password, basically you're done. Now to access My Eyes Only, I need to enter the password. So let me enter it. As you guys can see, my password is correct, so I'm here. Now right now there's nothing here because I haven't put in any video over here. So if I want to put some video on My Eyes, I can come over here on snaps and click on whichever one. Let's say I want this. I can click on this three dot and I can click on hide snap My Eyes Only. Click on it, move, and it's moved. Now I can go back over here. So let's say I go to My Eyes and enter my password. As you guys can see, the video is over here. So that's basically how you guys can add it to My Eyes Only. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day. Bye bye.